Hey, boss, can we have a quick chat?
Of course, John. Come on in. What's on your mind?
Well, I've been thinking a lot lately, and I can't put up with the current salary anymore. I need to break away from this financial strain.
I understand, John. But remember, the company is going through a tough time, and we all have to tighten up a bit.
I get that, but it's been over 2 years since I've received a raise. I've been holding out for better times, but I can't hold on any longer.
I truly value your hard work, John, and I wish I could chip in more. Let me see if there's anything I can do.
I appreciate that, but it's not just about the salary. I need more opportunities to grow professionally. I can't put up with stagnation anymore.
I see your point, John. We have had a setback in our projects lately, but once things pick up, I promise I'll set you up for success.
It's not just about the projects, Sarah. I've been coming up with new ideas, but they never get implemented. I want to carry out my initiatives and make a real impact.
You've got great ideas, John, but sometimes it's challenging to bring about changes quickly. But I do appreciate your enthusiasm.
I wish I could stay, but I've decided to step down and explore other opportunities. I need a job where I can take on more responsibility and be rewarded for it.
I'm sorry to hear that, John. You've been a valuable member of the team, and we'll definitely miss out on your skills.
Thanks, Sarah. I'll truly miss out on the camaraderie here, but I have to do what's best for my career.
I completely understand. Just remember, if things don't work out as you hope, you can always come back to us.
I'll keep that in mind. I'll hold off on making any final decisions until I find the right opportunity.
That's wise, John. You know, if you ever need advice or assistance in your job search, I'll be more than willing to pitch in.
Thank you, Sarah. I really appreciate your support. I'll make sure to keep you updated on my progress.
Please do. And, John, I want to give you a shout out for all the great work you've done during your time here.
Thanks, Sarah. I've learned a lot and grown professionally. It's just time for me to move on.
I understand. We'll be here cheering for your success. And remember, our doors are always open if you want to drop in and say hello.
Thanks, Sarah. That means a lot to me. I'll definitely drop in sometime.
Good luck, John. You're going to do amazing things, wherever you end up.
Thank you, Sarah. It's been a pleasure working with you.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.